At the end of the day, it's always a philosophical question, right? Of why are we in this universe? And understanding how this universe works is kind of those first steps. My name is Luis Dominguez, and my job is to assemble all the different components for the Psyche spacecraft that is going to go investigate a metal-rich asteroid. We're going to go investigate the largest metallic asteroid that's out there. The more we understand that, we think that could give us a lot more insights on what our actual planet is doing. And welcome to High Bay 2 at JPL. This is the Psyche spacecraft. And so this is where we control the Psyche spacecraft. They dictate how things happen on the floor in the high bay and make sure that the spacecraft is safe. My team's job is to assemble the flight vehicle. We pull together all the different components that everyone's building, bring it together, make sure it works. We bombard the spacecraft with as many tests as we can to make sure that the flight software is as rugged and the hardware is as rugged as it needs to be to get those requirements accomplished, and then throw it on top of a rocket and launch it. It's amazing. I mean, growing up where I grew up, I never thought I would be working on anything like this. Never thought I'd be capable of doing something like this. So that's one of the biggest things that kind of drives me. I like to do a lot of outreach and go out and talk to kids, especially from like socioeconomically disenfranchised areas, because I get them. And I always tell them, you know, live your life with courage, curiosity, tenacity, and a healthy dose of altruism. Seeing their like eyes shine up, it's just truly awesome.